You can have Netflix, YouTube, and other apps that you don't normally have on a classic car with a little gadget. Hi guys, this is Stefano from Tech Mafia. Today I want to show you a product that can be found at a good price and allows you to have Netflix, YouTube, and even IPTV on your original car radio without going to replace the car radio, make strange modifications, and thus without affecting the originality. This one you see is a qasqhai J23 equipped with CarPlay and Android Auto. It is essential that your car has these technologies to work without any problems with this device. This is the AutoCast Play to Video Pro, which with a simple Type-C connection to your car allows you to obviously access an operating system where we can have applications that theoretically are not compatible with the car, because no car will allow you to play Netflix or anything else. Only Tesla does, but when you are in parking mode. Here's the frit, probably also to go and dissipate what is a little bit of heat. We're going to have this menu that is absolutely not great, but it's fine. It's fine for what we have to do, which is a product that costs very little. Here we don't need who knows what graphical interface to use, but we need precisely the ability to be able to use Netflix, to use YouTube. As you can see at the moment, it is not connected to the internet, and we need to hotspot with our device, at least this model. I don't know if there are others, which I then leave you in description with a discount if you don't find it on offer. Subscribe to the Telegram channel or download the Mr. Coupon app for iOS and for Apple Store. As you can see, we obviously cannot connect because we need to connect via Wi-Fi. Allows you to go connect in Wi-Fi to a network. Now I connected everything in hotspot. I show you that it works. I can also use Wild Moss. Voice search works perfectly, at least the test with this My Car qasqhai. As you can see, we can start in full screen, taking advantage of, let's say, the huge display of the qasqhai. Go and see the comments, but more importantly, also go and customize what is the quality if you have a good connection. See the related videos, and then a very good functioning also allows you to read the comments. Obviously, you have to add an account. Same thing, I'm going to go straight to Netflix, which, as you see, is compatible, so it is likely that there is a way to use many sources that are not official for Netflix, so they are not compatible, like projectors or other products. When you go to open Netflix, it will not work, whereas here it works. It's not super fast, but still allows us to safely start. A movie. And not to have delays in the audio. To this you see is the packaging, where inside we find the AutoCast and we find a Type-C cable. By the way, I remind you that there is a built-in player inside. You will just go into the applications here on File, and you will have the ability to connect a USB or any storage device to go play a personal video, so even your own movie, if it is not on YouTube. Let's connect obviously with the device. As you see, we are connected via Bluetooth, and we can use Android Auto on our car without going to disconnect it. But at this point, obviously going to open Android Auto, we no longer have the functionality of Netflix or anything else, but we can use the maps and other functions. The interface also allows you to remove your apps from the main screen and connect to CarPlay or Android Auto via Bluetooth, and it works perfectly. I tested it also. If you leave it near the car attached when you go to turn on the stereo, it will directly start this configuration. It has different settings in the engineering mode, and I assure you that anyway. It has a simple operation, so for those who don't want to tinker too much, just plug it in and already start using it. By the way, you can enable or disable the dark theme and set a logo, but unfortunately I couldn't do it a power logo rather than Android Auto. Works as mentioned even on the move without any problem, although it is not absolutely recommended but also not legal, even if you who are driving do not look at it, don't use it compared to many others on AliExpress. It is the only one that really worked and works on several cars. It is definitely not the most complete. I would have preferred also natively the GPS, so you also have the navigation apps. But it is the one that has, let's say, a low cost, and most importantly, it works. I, in the description, try to find you a link. And I told you we are just a little bit above is 50 euros. If you have any doubts or questions, let you know. Maybe I try to download a pickup for you to see if it works.